Let us begin Chapter 1, Section 1, Objectives. After you read the objectives, we can do the examples. Example number 1, solve the equation for m. So first step is you want to multiply all terms by your LCD. And your LCD here is 10. So we're multiplying all terms by 10. So when we do that, we're multiplying the 10 times the m divided by 5 plus 10 times 4, which is 40, is equal to 10 times m divided by 2 plus 70. Now let's simplify. 10m divided by 5 is 2m plus 40 is equal to 10m divided by 2 is 5m plus 70. Now let us combine like terms. So here we can subtract 2m from both sides, and that cancels, so we're left with 40 is equal to 5m minus 2m is 3m plus 70. Subtract 70 from both sides. 40 minus 70 is negative 30 is equal to 3m. Divide by 3, so we're left with m is equal to negative 10. And that is your solution. Problem number 2, we have an inequality with fractions, so we're going to handle it the same way by multiplying by the least common denominator. And the least common denominator here is 12. So we multiply all terms by 12. And when we do that, we have 12u divided by 3 plus 12 times 3 is 36 divided by 4 is less than 12u divided by 2 minus 12 times 5 is 60 divided by 4. Now let's simplify our fractions. 12u divided by 3 is 4u plus 36 divided by 4 is 9 is less than 6u minus 15. Now we can combine like terms. So let us subtract 6u from both sides. We're left with 4u minus 6u is negative 2u plus 9 is less than negative 15. Subtract 9 from both sides. We have negative 2u is less than negative 24. And dividing both sides by negative 2. So we have negative 2u is less than negative 24. Dividing by negative 2, we flip the inequality, because when you divide by a negative number, you flip the inequality. So negative divided by negative is 12. So we have u is greater than 12. And writing that answer in interval notation, we have 12, comma, positive infinity, which means u is greater than 12. Moving on to problem number 3, here we have a break-even analysis. A publisher for a promising new novel figures fixed costs, which is overhead, advances, promotion, etc., at $67,000, and variable costs, which is printing, paper, binding, etc., at $350 per book. If the book is sold to distributors for $21 each, how many must be produced and sold for the publisher to break even? So we first of all have to find our cost function and our revenue function. So our cost function is our variable cost, which is 3.5x, plus our fixed cost, which is $67,000. Our revenue function is our selling cost, and our selling cost is $21 per book. Therefore, our break-even point is when our cost is equal to our revenue. So let's set our two equations equal and solve for x. So we set our cost function equal to our revenue function, and now we combine like terms by subtracting 3.5x from both sides, which leaves us with 67,000 is equal to 17.5x. Divide both sides by 17.5, and x is equal to 3,829 DVDs. And that completes Chapter 1, Section 1.